Welcome to JazTime. Today we're going to be reviewing a Rolex Day-Date II in yellow gold, model number 218238, white Roman dial. We're going to go through a couple of things about it, such as a unboxing, a review, how to use it, what it comes with. So this is the watch itself. Let's take a look at what it comes with. In the flip down, you'll see it has a warranty card and a backside. A instruction manual with a few things about how to use it and about the factory service, and a guarantee written in a couple different languages. The watch itself, sometimes it comes with a hang tag, sometimes it comes with a square hang tag as well. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Let's take a look at the watch itself. Now, what is so special about this watch? Well, a couple things that are special about it are that, one, it's not produced anymore. This is actually a 41mm watch. And now they produce the watch only in 40mm. So as of roughly 2015, they stopped making this watch in favor of a slightly smaller watch in a 40mm. So what are some of the things that are special about this watch, other than its yellow gold? Well, it also has this president band that you're looking at here. As you can see, it looks similar to a Jubilee band, but it's still slightly different. And if you look at some of our other videos, you can compare that to the Jubilee. I'm going to go ahead and open this clasp for you. It has what's called a hidden crown concealed clasp. And so concealed because you can't see it. When I pop it open here, then you can see it. Now what's special about this is that it uses a new style clasp. And since it's gold, you'll see where my finger is pointing, you'll see a bunch of hallmarks. Those hallmarks are gold hallmarks. That denotes that this is gold. Now on the back side of this watch, you'll see where my finger is also pointing. There's hallmarks at the end of each lug. And you can go ahead and look that up on Wikipedia and see what those hallmarks mean. But basically they are gold hallmarks. Okay, so let's take a look again at the watch itself, the head. And what you'll notice about the head is that it has what's called the day here at the 12 o'clock and the date, which is here at the 3 o'clock. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to adjust that. So I'm going to unscrew it. It pops out to the first. And this is called the triple lock. Okay. Now this first sound is the sound of winding it. Up and down 20 times and that winds it. You see that second hand? That's what causes it to move. I'm going to pull it out one more. You heard that? And I'm going to turn in the clockwise direction, and which one's going to move? Probably going to be the date. Okay? And if I move it in the counterclockwise direction, the day will move. And there you go. That's the day moving. Now if I pull it out to the third position, it's going to stop the hack. The hack has stopped. I can now set the time. Push it back in. Hack starts again. And once I screw the crown in, the watch is now watertight. Okay, this 41mm also features this fluted yellow gold bezel here. Fluted because it has these little ridges in it. Okay, it also has what's called the super case. Super case is this larger style case with the rounded edges. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and try that on. Let you guys see what it looks like over at home. Now if you guys like this video, click the subscribe button below. You can leave a comment, tell us what you think, good or bad. We want to hear what you have to think. Now if you like this watch and you think you might want to see watches like this or perhaps purchase this watch, go to JazTime.com. That's www.jaztime.com. We offer a 1-year warranty, free shipping, and a low price guarantee. See you guys at JazTime.com.